Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Sister Trinity. In this video I want to show you guys how to do Nigeria crochet chinchin. In this we have some all-purpose flour here. I just put 3 cups of flour there. I will be adding some sugar, baking powder, nutmeg, and some salt. I'm going to add some milk as well, dry milk. I'm using Nido milk, dry milk. You can use any milk of your choice. So I'm going to use dry milk in this one. I like dry milk. So you can use liquid milk, you can even use water. I'm putting 3 spoons of dry milk. I'm just going to mix everything together. What I normally do, I put the dry stuff first and I mix them together before I go for the liquid one. So I'm just going to mix everything together as I are saying. Then I'm going to put hole at the center here. Then I'm just going to put the butter and the egg. I have 1 egg. I'm going to use 1 egg. Just want to put the egg now at the center. Then cover it and put this butter as well. Then I mix everything throughout. In that process, I'll be adding little water as I'm mixing it to make sure that everything mixes properly. After mixing everything with the butter and the egg, I mix it very well. So that is how it will look like, and exactly what the result I'm looking for. So you will not allow it to be too hard or too soft. So this is exactly the result I'm just looking for. So I'm just going to leave it to sit for about 10 minutes while we prepare the oil to fry it. The next step, I'm just going to sprinkle a little flour around my chopping board. Carry the dough after 10 minutes. You have to be very careful so that you won't work it too much. I'm just going to put it in a plate. After separating it, put it in a plate. The oil on, you can use any oil of your choice, whether vegetable oil or sunflower oil. So in this case, we are just going to test the oil if it's hot enough. I think here, in this case, you won't allow it to too hot or I think it's perfect. I'm just going to put the chichi on now. You just have to leave it for some time, at least for a few seconds before you start turning. You allow it to separate before you start turning it. Start turning it so that some will not be brown or undercooked. Turning it around. Have to keep on turning so that you get the result you want. Because in this case we want everything to be brown together. We don't want undercooked. So everything is going to come out when you keep on stirring it like this, just turning it, everything will come out in golden brown color at the same time. This chichi, I'm just going to do a different shape of this chichi. You can do any shape of your desire, you can do any shape you want. That is what I like about this chichi. And that is what I want. Even though I leave it, it will still get brown. So I'm just going to take it out at this stage. I'll put it in a filter. you for watching. This is the result of the chin chin, crunchy chin chins. Looks so nice. So in this, there is another one. You can do any shape of your choice. This is another one. See. So in this stage, you can put it in a container. You can keep it for 3. It can last for 6 months, 3 months, depends how you want it. You can even store it in your freezer compartment. Thank you for watching. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe, like and share. Bye for now.